finals. We're going to put whoever starts on the track. And we got 4 open finals. Look out, that should be interesting. Okay, here we go. We got 10 races on the track. We got JC Ryan at 338, Brock Hall at 921, Samantha Taranowski 324, Austin Lease at 222, Paul Richard at 355, Connor Holman at 993, Nick Burnell 117, Colin Flicker at 152, Norman Seidel is the number 2 qualifier at 729 out of Echo Bay, Ontario on that Hardy Cat. Your number 1 qualifier out of Radford River, Michigan. He is Anna Blair at 175, that'd be Matt Peterson. Sports Superstar on the line. After this, we got Pro Light Stock Finals. After that, we have Pro Finals. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Race number 72 on the track. Polaris. The holes are getting deep out there, just the way those pros like it. Brock Hall and Nick Parnell are your first and second riders. 222. Waiting for third place. From Gaylord, Michigan. It's Nick Furnell. You're the leader. Second place right now. Parnell second. 993 just takes over second place. Holman is now second place. Third place.
Come on. What's that make him 5th?
Furnell still leading. Furnell still leading. Pearson second place. Pearson now leading. Look at him come back.